Do you think you're winning in life? Does it feel like you're winning? How hard is it to keep pushing every single day with still so much uncertainty? It probably feels like a deep struggle, and you aren't sure how you're going to get to where you want to go. Luckily, in this video, we're going to discuss setting yourself up to making winning in life automatic. And the core driver of this is reprogramming the subconscious, a powerful automation secret we all can unlock. If you listen carefully and act on the 7 tips we're going to dive into, especially the last one, your life will transform for the better automatically. Let's get it. Number 1, what is winning? Guess what? To be winning in life, you need to define what winning is. I know, that's deep. You need to define with as much detail as you can what things you want to accomplish in your life. Let me help you out. On a piece of paper or a Google Docs, write down a list of things you want to accomplish in your life. This can include being physically fit, having a loving and well-matched partner, being the owner of a successful business. Revisit this list whenever you'd like to add or edit the life goals you have. Just make sure you have your life goals written down somewhere and keep it up to date. And that's the first step, having a target that will let you know whether you are advancing towards it or not. Because if you don't know where you want to go eventually, then it doesn't matter what path you take. Number 2, write them down. Take the goals you most want to accomplish and write them down on paper and post these papers up around your home where you will see them most. But very important point is, write the goal as if it will be accomplished for sure. Here's an example. If winning to you means you have passive income of $5,000 a month, then write down on a piece of paper, I will earn $5,000 of passive income per month, and post it up in the bathroom where you can see it while you are on the toilet, in the kitchen on a window in front of your sink, wherever it will be unavoidable and you'll see it often. This constant exposure to a commitment will train your subconscious. It will take many exposures over time, but the subconscious will start to reprogram itself and will automatically work for you to realize these accomplishments. You will feel as if there's a force propelling you without you putting in much direct effort. That's the power of your subconscious. It continues running and solving problems to win, basically, and you just have to help it understand what winning is. Number 3, speak out loud. Whenever you confront those written affirmations in your home that you just put up, speak them out loud 5 times. If you confront the example we stated in the previous tip, then you would simply read it out loud 5 times. I will earn $5,000 of passive income each month, again and again. Your eyes reading the affirmation is good, yes, but the more senses that consume the affirmation, the more efficiently you are programming your subconscious. If you say it out loud, you are reading it, and you are hearing it. What you say, your subconscious listens to, and it's paying attention, trust me. So speaking out loud what you want to materialize in your life will increase the chances of it happening and the speed with which it arrives. The power of the spoken word is a real thing. I'm sure you've heard that saying before. Number 4, visualize the prize. When you face these written affirmations, close your eyes and visualize in your mind that accomplishment. This can be fun. Just imagine what things would be like when you accomplish that goal. Carrying on with our example of passive income, you can visualize looking at your bank account and seeing the passive income being deposited in each month. You can imagine the freedom it would give you. You can imagine what could be driving that passive income, whether it's rental properties or dividends. Having your mind create mental images and simulations is another form of feeding your subconscious. You could also do mental visualization in separate meditation sessions as well. You can go deeper with this and visualize in your mind the steps and milestones that you imagine would lead you towards your ultimate goal. You can imagine how happy you would feel at accomplishing different milestones. and what it would be like to do all the steps that would be involved. This could be like imagining receiving your first check in the mail for $100. Not the $5,000 that is your goal, but it's progress that would tell you that you're headed in the right direction. Visualizing the path and process is really like simulating the journey, and just thinking about it gives you the confidence to face the challenges in real life, and your fear fades as well. A mysterious process that almost feels like a cheat code of life. Number 5, expect the limiting beliefs. While you reprogram for winning automation, you need to expect that your brain will be operating under its old programming and will send you limiting beliefs and thoughts. Don't be ridiculous, you can't achieve that. Do you think it's that easy? Stop being silly. Everyone's going to laugh at you. Your brain can be quite a prick, trust me. You have to prepare to hear those thoughts and then just acknowledge them and just tell it to carry on and have a nice day. Just because you have a thought doesn't mean you have to accept it. Your mind is just working through its survival coding and society coding. It doesn't know any better. It will soon adjust to your automated winning approach to life, but this will take time. Don't be discouraged by your thoughts, and definitely not the thoughts and words of others. There's a reason why only a few of us actually get to confidently say that we're winning at life. Number 6, positive forces. It's lonely to go on the winning path alone. And there are some positive human forces out there that you can strategically place to help you win more seamlessly and efficiently. For your specific goals, find mentors or others that are sincerely pursuing the same goals as you. Discuss strategies with them, share tips and tricks, share progress. Adding like-minded people to your circle will help reinforce the right beliefs, and you will help propel each other towards those goals more efficiently. Shared goals often craft the strongest bonds, so in many occasions, the most lifelong and sincere friends can come from these circles, potentially even business partners. Finding these positive influences will take some effort at first, but once you find them and they turn out to be the real deal, then they are automatic winning machines for you, often for life. The effort you put in to reach out to people and explore these relationships will pay off many times over, so it's worth putting in this upfront work for the sake of making the rest of the journey more fun and easy. Number 7, make it mindless. Winning will take steps. Make the steps simple and as mindless as you can. Minimize the number of opportunities that your brain has to complain about how hard it is or how complicated it is. Reduce the chances of your old programming to want to give up. Break everything down into small, tiny steps. For the $5,000 of passive income goal that we're using here, at face value, that seems pretty far off. But if you break it down into the baby steps you could take, then things start becoming very tangible. Start following podcasts on the subject of passive income. Start watching YouTube videos on the subject of passive income. Write an email to people that you know that have created some passive income. Join some meetups or gatherings that specifically discuss passive income. Preemptively open an LLC and a business checking account without knowing what you'll do with it. But just take the steps that get you closer to your goal. Actions lead to additional actions. Things will cascade and produce a domino effect as long as you focus on tiny steps. And when you identify the daily habits that can help you get closer to your goals, make sure those daily habits are easy to do. If you hate reading, but it's obvious that the knowledge in some books will get you closer to your goal, then download audiobooks. If you want to add exercise to your routine, don't make it so you have to drive for 20 minutes to join an exercise class, or that you have to buy a bunch of equipment to work out. Find something so close by that you can walk there, or learn how to exercise using no equipment at all and just your body weight. Get a fitness trainer so that you can turn your brain off and just do exactly what they tell you to do. The less your mind has to work, the less power you give it, and the more likely and automated your path to winning will be. And if you'd like to get some additional tips on powerful daily habits, check out this video here.